Welcome to my channel. HP Smart App can't find your printer? Easy solution. 1. Restart your printer. Turn off your HP printer, unplug it for about 30 seconds, then plug it back in and turn it on. A quick restart often fixes temporary connection issues. 2. Restart your phone or computer. Restart the device running the HP Smart App. This refreshes the network connection and clears minor software glitches. 3. Check your Wi-Fi connection. Make sure your printer and your phone or computer are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. If they are on different networks, the HP Smart App won't be able to detect the printer. 4. Move the printer closer to the router. If the printer is too far from your Wi-Fi router, the signal may be weak. Place the printer closer to the router and try searching for it again. 5. Turn on wireless mode. Check that the printer's Wi-Fi light is solid or blinking correctly. If wireless is turned off, enable Wi-Fi from the printer's control panel or settings menu. 6. Refresh the HP Smart App. Close the HP Smart App completely and reopen it. Then tap Add Printer or Refresh to scan for available printers again. 7. Update the HP Smart App. An outdated app may not detect your printer properly. Install the latest version of the HP Smart App from your device's App Store or Software Store. 8. Check network permissions. Allow the HP Smart App to access your device's local network, location, and Bluetooth permissions if prompted. These permissions help the app discover nearby printers. 9. Reset the printer's network settings. Restore the printer's network settings, then reconnect it to your Wi-Fi using the HP Smart App. This can fix incorrect or corrupted wireless settings. 10. Update the printer firmware. If your printer is found but still has connection issues, update its firmware to the latest version. Firmware updates often improve Wi-Fi stability and compatibility with the HP Smart App. Thanks for watching.